All right, we about to enter in a trade. I just want to record it. So I'll do the explanation afterwards, just so I don't miss this. But we want to see for now, we want to see, I just want to tap into this fair value gap order block right here. Come on. I'm risking for this, I'm doing 14 lots, which is a little over 1%. That's how much this trade is. I'm not doing just this, yeah, that's what I'm doing for now. Come on, just come on, man. It's also a 5 minute fair value gap as well, which is really good. But maybe in the meantime, I can give a cheeky little diagnosis. It's basically massive fair value gap in here. On the hourly, it's filled it pretty nicely. On the daily, we'll go to the daily. The daily, it's filled it very nicely. You can see here, right here is the beginning, and here is the end, and it's over the 50% mark. Check that box off. There is another one down here, but I still think we'll get a reaction off this nonetheless. And if we can hit first take profit and break even and move stock to break even, then that's profit, and that's good. So we're definitely going to get, and this is what we're seeing. So you like to see a double sweep formation. So boom, first sweep, could have like small little reaction on that, and then boom, actual sweep there. And then so you kind of look for this like Y coffee formation. So like here is the first shoulder, head, next shoulder, and then here we want to enter on this little fair value gap. So this was the first kind of like tap into the order block, but this fair value gap is very prominent. Like we're definitely going to get an entry in there. So we're just waiting for that. Bro, I just had the fattest like my life. I had this freaking like steak ramen, like stir fry. Oh shit. Bro, that was so nice. But I really, really need to go to the bathroom. But I just this is the trade, man. This is the trade. We need to get this. You get a little tap, and then bam, we're in. Little tap. I know we're gonna see a tap. Oh, we're in. All right, we're in. Damn. Oh, all right, bro. We in that shit. We in this shit. We bought him 163. 163 is, bro. Yeah, there we go. See, look at that sharp reaction. Bro, what did I say? 163, and then spreads will probably put us at like there ish. I don't know. Just a side comment. So just wanting to rip a bit price. Just a side comment with this, with like fair value gaps. Remember to look at different time frames. So right here, people might see on this 1 minute fair value gap, they might see, okay, like price closed below the fair value gap. Therefore, like it's invalidated, therefore price wants to go lower. But remember, different time frames hold different powers. So 5 minutes more prominent. And just here, 5 minutes closed above this fair value gap. Good sign. But what I'm trying to say is that although the 1 minute closed below it, the 5 minute, look at that. Look how strong that was. Boom, all the way up. You always look at the higher time frames. Always the higher time frames always like hold more power. The 1 minute, sure, you can get some really good entries, but always the higher time frames give the better like entry, the better kind of um idea of what price wants to do. Yeah. So decent entry here into the order block. And I was thinking about adding my position, but that's like kind of a bit of a gamble. Maybe on like some fair value gap on the 1 minute next time. We'll see. Hey, hopefully this, I mean, I'm sounding confident, but like hopefully price goes my way in general. It might not. Who knows? Take profit one is imminent. I don't know how long it'll take to get here. Gonna get ready to close some of the left position. 3, 2, 1. Do it now. Basically hit it, yeah. Boom. All right. First, take profit hit, and we'll move the so that's 0.6% already. Not bad. We'll move modified position, move the stop loss to break even. Dogs have been walked and might look for a re-entry here. Literally just come back. That's 5 minutes of value gap right there. I'm gonna re-enter, bro. I'm gonna re-enter. I'm liking this. This is a decent re-entry. Won't do as much. Maybe like a just a nice little one. Stop. Not Euro GJ. Stop loss. We'll do. Bro, my dogs. We'll just see. We'll just see where. We'll just see where it wants to. We'll just see where it wants to close. If it closes above, then yeah, we'll get in. It's about like a 2 or 3. Yeah, that's decent. All right. So we're in another trade. Entry was 231. 231 is crazy. Really? 231? You gonna do me that dirty? Damn. All right, bro. Fine. So it's like up there. That's actually crazy. Note as well that DXY and GJ typically move together. And if we look at the dollar index chart, we can see a very obvious sweep right here. So I'm just like making that sort of known that like they do move together, and DXY is definitely wanting to go up. A very obvious double sweep here, entry right there, but yeah, that's more confluence for this trade, which should be going good. Yeah, we just entered like 2 minutes ago and about to hit the next take profit for this trade, which I may as well just stay recording at this point because it looks like we want to hit the next one. But yeah, so it's going good. It's going good. If we can just pop up here, then that'll be wonderful. Whoa. Here we go. Oh gosh. Oops. Boom. Cool. So I was just stopped out of this trade here, but I've marked out like another, it could be a 5 minute fair value gap. No. I've said if it comes down to this area here, I'll re-enter. That's very close to the stop loss here, though. I said if it came down to this little fair value gap in here, I'll enter. I'll re-enter. If not, I'm just going off one trade for now. So we'll see what happens. I'm not gonna get in this. It's like I'm just gonna not FOMO in. It's annoying FOMOing in because you feel guilty. You're like, damn, like I know I traded out of emotion, and I've been doing that a bit recently. So I'm just need to not do it. I've said this little one here, and I'm gonna just stick to that. Yeah. I've just closed my trade. Few things, a few things. I'm calling a reversal on GU. There's this, few things down here it could sweep. Massive imbalance here that I think it's gonna fill and then pop up. We're still not in London yet as well, and I think price will come down and then it'll sweep up. So that's what I'm seeing for GU, and obviously kind of same premise for EU as well. Tap into some order block and then pop up. But that is typically they move away, like they move in opposite directions. So if GU and EU are wanting to go up, yeah, it's starting to then GJ will want to go down. Sort of speculation. It is a bit of speculation, but that's kind of how I am playing it. And I've hit some decent. I've made like 1.1% today as well. So if nothing happens and it does go up, I'm perfectly fine with that because I've already like hit first take profits on both trades, and it's like totally fine. But yeah, I mean, I can see this being some kind of like sweep formation though. It's um like boom boom sweep and then tap into the order block fair value gap. It's just looking like it could be a potential downside trade. That's all I'm saying with this, like. And then on top of that, really just that this fair value gap down here is a lot more prominent than this one. So that's why price could. I just want to keep dipping down. But hey, we've taken some W's, we've taken some profits so far. So yeah, can't complain about that. Never really know where these. London's still yet to. Could be some kind of double sweep formation. Could see it have a reaction off here, react off this bearish fair value gap, come down into there. Eyes on this euro trade that I might take. Um, I want price ideally to hit maybe around here where the order block is. And I'm going to be stingy. I'm going to be stingy with this because I've already made a decent amount. And yeah, right here is actually the 50% mark as well. So I'm going to say, I'm going to put this mark right here. I'm going to say I want price to hit this to get in. I'm calling. If we see some kind of reaction up and then down, that's even better because that's like the double sweep orders, stop losses go below there, more orders to get taken up, and then bam, more confluence. So I want to see, yeah, this get filled up more. Not as confident for GU though, just because yeah, like the order block, it's sort of vague where the order block is. Like you could say it's up here, but then the fair value gap's down here. So it's like, where is it? But yeah, for this, I just labeled 50%. Come on. Come on. Frick. Man, we're so close. It'll just boom, boom. There we go. Bye. All right, we're in. Yeah, London opens in 5 seconds. So let's see what happens. Probably a decent entry. Cool. Where will we have take profit one? Maybe, yeah, at the top of this fair value gap. And then we'll put stops to break even. Bang. All right, cool. I am being more careful and I actually closed roughly. Where is the middle point? Yeah, I closed like they tapped the 50%, so I'm just being careful, closed around there a bit. I'm going to move my thing to not break even, but where should I? Maybe below here. Win another one, baby. Win another one. You're ripping. Could take profit there, low key. We got into a GU trade because what we saw here, yeah, because it just gave a decent entry. Hit the 50% mark of the fair value gap. That's what I was looking for. Tap the order block, all that jazz. Little sweep here. So people thought like placing longs here, da da da, sweep, stop them out if they place it stops below that sweep. And then I was going to enter here, but it's closed below the fair value gap. So I was like, hell nah. And then boom, another fair value gap arises. Now, price didn't hit the 50% mark, but it did close outside. So I was like, that's low key enough for me, just with everything going on, like the fair value gap and GJ with GJ. With this bearish fair value gap, even though GJ is wanting to rip, which I'm like kind of surprised about, but it is what it is. Hit it. I want to hit the top of that fair value gap. I know it'll hit it. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna, yeah, there we go. Cool. Up about 2.25% for the day. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, I want to sleep pretty soon. Shit's just like going pretty good. Yeah, decent trading day today. Really decent trading day. I'm happy. Um, yeah, I'll cut back tomorrow with the um the trade recap and all that and just how everything went. And yeah, goodbye for now. Uh damn, how do you stop the recording? Goodbye. Oh, alrighty. We are back the next morning. I'm about to go for a run. But trade recap. Um shit wanted to rip the freaking floor out of this place, bro. Um yeah, I really need to stop closing my position early because, well, actually, this would have probably, I mean, I would have got stopped out actually because I would have hit my break even. But um yeah, I don't know. I because this really wanted to rip and I closed it very early. I feel like not the best thing to do. I just need to be confident in my trade and I mean look, EU didn't even hit the entry price, so I could have kept that and that just ripped. So yeah, learning for this is to just hold the position out. Hold the position out if I'm confident. It was a decent position as well because you can see here like this sweep here, accumulation took off, price tapped into the order block and then scaled down. It tapped into this like massive 1 minute fair value gap. Price also swept internal liquidity. I think, was it? I think it was GU that actually. Oh no, you can see here, see how it like boom, boom, sweep. So that's that kind of double sweep formation. It's more prominent on GU, but you can see where did we enter right here? Boom, 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 sweep. So that's the double sweep. You know, it'll fake people out. People assume, okay, that's the this here is like the enter into the order block. Oh, sorry, the order block fair value gap sweep. Stops get placed here, sweep, more orders get filled by institutions, then rips. That's just how it goes. So we got a decent entry on this, but again, just needed to hold out the position for longer. Yeah, so good trade in general, good trading day. I'll just say as well, I'm calling right now that Bitcoin is going to have a fatty reversal, just so like I can get it on record and I can look cool when it happens. But I sold all my I sold basically my entire position at this level right here, just because yeah, I'm calling there's this massive monthly fair value gap that I think will get closed, and it's just very oversold in my opinion. And then yeah, so I'm calling that this monthly fair value gap will get closed within, and then we'll have some kind of retracement into this big fair value gap here, and then I'll look to re-enter there. Just very very overbought. It's very overbought. So I sold around here. It's starting to go down a little bit, but also the dollar has been going down a lot. And if we sort of scale out, we can see there are some daily lows right here that price is just sort of swept, and then this fair value gap in here. So, in my opinion, the dollar wants to have at least some kind of retracement, maybe into this fair value gap here, something up here, maybe sweep these highs. But that adds to the reason why I think Bitcoin will have a retracement, and with that, all other cryptocurrencies. So this has been the trade recap, and yeah, thanks for watching.